down here. Exercise this exercise 1B. Okay, now we go through that handout again. Okay, we designed that one. Yes, we save that thing. Count and count F2 time and tell average. Okay, now maximum 6 number point. We solve the 6 number point. Okay, now use, I will zoom in that one. Now 6 number point is use the maximum function in the cell B14. Determine the maximum sale done by the agent. Okay, we will go there and we'll see that thing. Yes, we done that thing. Okay, tell this one we already done. Okay. Okay, now we will go there and we will track that thing, some border, right? This one also. Okay, now we will go there again. We want to go in instruction number 7. Now use, now we will make a charts, pie chart. Now use column C and column I and create a pie chart on total sale. Okay, we will go there again on Excel, column C. Yes, this one. We will select this one with shift and arrow key or drag the mouse, and we will go for the other one and that one cell. You press the control key if you want to select this one. If you not press the control key, then you can't select that, right? Press the control key and you will select, right? If you not press the control key, if you want to select this one and you want to go for shift and arrow key, it will be select all. No, we need only specific this one, cell C. We select that one and we will go there in I and press the control key and select only I portion. Okay, now we will go for the chart. Where the chart, click on insert and need a pie chart. Click on it and which you want, you will click it, right? Now we will zoom out this one little bit and we want to adjust this one. We will drag down here. Now which you want, you will click on it, right? Now we will look there. First we will go there again. Okay, now we create a column of pie. Now make sure that the legends and the data label are visible and the chart is appropriately labeled. Okay, we will go there again. Yes, it is visible. Yes, this is also legend is here, total sale is here. Now you will see that thing, that is total sale is available here. If you want to change, you can. Which you want to give label and just like that one. Okay, just like simple, which you want. Okay, it's correct. Okay, we will go again. Data label and also that one legend is there. You see, this is called data labels. These are the data labels and this one is the legend, right? Now we will go again and instruction number 9. Now create a bar chart on sales of each month for all agents. Okay, each month sale is there. We will select this one, create a bar chart. Okay, we will go again and click outside of the chart Now we will of each month cell. Okay, agent, all agent. Okay, bar chart cell each month of all agents. Okay, it is not specify here. You will go for C column or I column. This is depending upon you. Yes, I create by my own. Yes, now I select first this one, and also 3 months with control key. Press control key and these 3 months. Okay, now we click again insert, and we will go for bar. Yes, this one is the bar chart. Click it and click again. Okay, now adjust this one where you want. Give some space here. Yes, now we will go there and read the instruction number 10. Now instruction number 10 is there. Now ensure that the legends and the data label are visible, that the chart is approved. We will go there again. Okay, now yes, this was visible here. Now this one also. Okay, if you want to give this one chart name, you want to change, you can. Okay, you delete that one. Now you give the name agent with sale of each month. Okay, of each month, right? Because sale is January, Feb, and March. If you want to label this one, you can. If you click here and right click and data label, you can, right?
Okay, sir.
Right, click on it. Again, I want to click this one, the second one, and right click and data label. Okay, the last one I will click and right click. If you want to label it, you can. Okay, now we are in instruction number 10. Yes, now we complete this one, right? Now switch. Now we will go for the 11 number instruction. Switch rows and column of the chart you just created. See how the data changes when you switch the rows and column off and on. Okay, we will go there. Instruction number that one. Okay, now you will see when you click here. Now this one row switch off and on. Okay, if you click outside, it will be disappear. When you click here, that one chart, it will appear here in design. Okay, we will off that one, right? Now you see, right? Name will be go down, right? And month will be here. Now we will click. Now name is here and month will go down. Which you want, you can, right? Now we will go again in this one, right? Switch off, switch on, right? It is only by cell. No, I want to each and every cell, agent and region. Yes, it is there, right? Okay, now you understand that thing? Yes, beta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is very easy. It is very easy. Okay, now we will go further. enter your name and class and section at the bottom of the sheet. Okay, we will go there and you will come down, and if you want to write here, it's okay. I will write this one, and also today date is 26 August 2020, and you want to write 60, it's okay. Okay, now we want to go for that one. Friend, you want to check, it is half available here. Now we will go there again. We will set the page. Okay, first we will go there instruction, after that we will go and check that one. Okay, rename the sheet. This sheet is exercise 1. Okay, you will click here, and this sheet you will rename. You will click right button of the mouse or that one from laptop, right button, and you will click on rename. Now we will write here exercise 1. Okay, now it's okay. Yes, we'll go there and save. Yes, we already saved that one. Only click on save and page orientation and landscape. Okay, we will go for page setup. We rename this one and also save that file with our name. I already saved this one, you will see. Okay, this one rename, right click and rename and change the name. And I already created this one, exercise 1 and B, part B, and save. Okay, now let's see again. Now set the page orientation and landscape. Okay, we will go there in page setup. Click on it and page layout. Yes, we will click on it again. Page size, for example, in this one A4, and page orientation is here. When you click, now it is in portrait, we will convert into landscape. Right? Convert in landscape. Okay. We will go there. Let's adjust that one. We will drag there. Also, want to go for preview. Yes, till this one it is come, and the second one will be removed. Okay, we will go there again. When you click here, now you will see it is come in 2 pages, page 1 and page 2. We will reduce the size of this one and this chart again. We will drag it here, and if you click here down, you will drag this one till this. Now this page is exist. Okay, we will go there and check it, and we will click here now. Okay, again if you click here now, again in 2 pages, you will drag it. Okay, now which one is left? This one, yes, address and that thing, and this one is the address. Yes, this one address, new address, we change that thing. Yes, floor. Okay, now you will drag till this one. It is now in 1 page. Okay, we will go there and see. If you click here, now I want to see here, click how the print will become. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. It is come in 1 page. Let's go again there. Now if you want to drag and enlarge the size of this one, it's okay. We will drag it here, and I want to cut and paste my name and that one. Cut and paste here and down. Control V. Okay. Now make the size of this one. Okay. If you want to more label here, you can label that one. Format update. Every label want to go formatting, you can. Category name will be applied. If you want, value already is there. Minimize that one. Yes. And you will go for zoom in. It will be visible now. And I will go there. Yes, beta, it is visible to you, everyone. If you want to change that one, you can. Value will be appear. No need of that one. Right? Okay, serial name will be there. Value of the cell if you want. Cancel it. Okay, now we will go through it. It is okay. Go through that one Excel. Here we use the formula concatenate, right? We combine that one name and agent. Okay, you see that thing, concatenate and A2 double quotation, give a space between and B2. We combine these two. After that, no formula, and we are here. We are using equal to substitute, right? Means where the old name we defined, we change into the Lahore. You see that one Karachi is here 3 times. It change into that one substitute. Just like when you are in school, we substitute the teacher if the teacher is absent, right? Just like that one, substitute that one. Okay, now we will go further. We use some function is using for to add these 3 cells, Jan, Feb, and March, right? We use this function, sum, and after that we are bonus. We want to give bonus to those person which is cell is greater than and equal to 10,000. If cell is not greater than and equal to 10,000, less than 10,000, then you not give the that one bonus. Okay, we will go again for the other one, a cell performance grade. If the cell is greater than
Okay, sir.
equal to 12,000, you gave a plus grade. I want to revise that one. Okay, if cell is greater than equal to 10,000, A grade, and that one cell is greater than 8,000, then B grade. If cell is 7,000 and greater than, then C. This I2 is the cell. This one, this one. If I press F2, now you will see this cell will be comparing because total cell is there, right? Now we will go there. Again the other one is now supervisor comments, where we are using AND function and if function both together. If and I greater than 12,000 and K2 means this cell, and also this one cell performance greater than equal to this one A plus, and this cell is 12,000 greater than, you will go and give him excellent. right? It will be compare this column and this column. When the function is that one operating that one, then it will be performed the excellent grade will be a supervisor comments. Now the second one is the which one very good. If that cell is greater than equal to 10,000 and then cell performance grade is A, now you will give A very good for it. Now the last one is if and end. This one cell is greater than equal to 7,000 and what K3 means cell performance grade is C, then need improvement. This is the function. Okay, we will go there. The next one, we will come here. Now date, how will perform the date? Simple date one equal to, you will write today and bracket sign and press enter. You will see the date, today date. Okay, this one cell. Now count if is using for, then you will count the cell. How many A plus grade is there? Now where K2 to K6, you will look there, this one, right? This one is range of cell and you will give the that one number. How many A plus grade is there? Only one. Now the second one, how many numbers of A grade cell is there? Okay, now we perform that one. F2 will there. Now this one count if, it will be count if, and it is the cell is A, that one K2 to K6, and give the range of that one and give the grade. After that we have the average of which one? H2 to H6. Where this one only this month only, we need a March only. The average of the, if you double click on it, F2, yes, now it is only for March. It will be display the average. Now maximum sale of done by the agent. An agent, yes. Maximum sale is 12,000. We will double click on it and equal to max. Max is using for maximum means maximum value. Now yes, maximum value is to 12,000. If you are going to use these all function in lot of data, for example, you enter 10,000 record, then you can easily find out that thing. Okay, now number of the cell record in 3 months. Yes, we have 3 months is here. If you double click on it, the count is using for that purpose. How many cell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If you perform that one operation or that one formula, then you press enter, it will be give you display. Now the last one is that one is left. Now we want to display only that one agent floor, which is only display only left side on.
Okay, sir. Should we leave now?
How many characters? 10 characters from the left.
Sir? Excuse me, sir. Sir, should we leave now?
Sir, please can we leave now? गए हैं
Yes.
sir.
Sir, it's gone. Okay, leave. Oh, sir,
Okay,
it's
Sorry, beta. Some internet problem is there. That why. Okay. You understand the thing? That thing? Yes,
Yes,
beta.
yes sir.
yes.
Okay.
Sir, can we leave now?
Sir, should